Let's monitor student performance live. To do this, choose Current Status from the middle column. Teachers view a list of the students in the class. The green dot indicates who is online. Christina is not online. For students who are online, their names are clickable. By clicking Alex's name, a teacher can view his current problem. A teacher can also view Get More Math's expected answer as well. Below the problem, the skill code is viewable, just as it is on the student's screen. The skill code is important in case a teacher needs to report an issue. A teacher can replace a student's problem, send the student a game credit, or message the student. In the Help Order column, teachers view the students who have raised their hand for help, as well as the order in which those students have asked for help. Moving to a student's screen, Alex will raise his hand, and then while he waits, he'll click on another problem and continue working. From Current Status, a teacher clicks on Alex's raised hand, viewing the problem he requested help with, as well as the expected answer. The teacher can also view his current problem and that expected answer. In the Working On column, teachers view what students are working on. Some students are working on adding integers day 1. That's the name of the assignment. A teacher can view their progress on the assignment, the number of points earned compared to the points in the assignment. The teacher can also see that Sela is working on a slope assignment and that Alex is working in mixed review. In the Points Today column, teachers view the number of points each student has earned today. This column helps a teacher know who's able to answer problems correctly on the first try and which students are not able to do so. Students earning points understand the concepts. Students who are not earning points may need help, even if they do not raise their hands. In the Time Since Correct column, teachers view how long it's been since a student has entered a correct answer. Their time will turn red if 6 minutes or more has elapsed since they've entered a correct answer. This column, in conjunction with Points Today, allows a teacher to know who's making progress and who is in need of assistance.